guys, it's Siddhi just trying to document life. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be a small shopping haul cause we went shopping today cause next month my sister is getting married and which is good for her but not so good for me because like I love shopping. Like I love shopping but like एक time बाद like I get just frustrated when I don't get the things I want and nobody can ever prepare you for the random shoppings Indian marriages include. Like every second me and my mother are like, oh we forgot this, oh we forgot that, oh we forgot one thing, and then that one thing turns into like 5 more things and then we keep forgetting and then we keep buying new things and so on. So today, and I might look frustrated because my camera switches itself off every 2 minutes, so yeah, bear with my frustration for a while. I'm already frustrated because it's been a long day today. So yeah, it is gonna be a small jewelry haul. I'm not gonna show you my fit right now because I'll show it on the actual wedding day, but let me show you all the jewelry I have brought today. So the first thing is, there are a lot of things in this box. Let me show you the first thing. I don't know which one will be the first thing. I'll actually show you the necklace set first. I brought 2 necklace sets for one fit. मेरा कैमरा वापस बंद हो गया था. Anyway, so I brought 2 jewelry sets for one outfit and this is the first one. These are the earrings, like purplish lavender color. Like my outfit is not kinda exactly lavender, but it has like majority of the lavender. So these are the pretty earrings, and yeah, this is the bindi. And let me show you the like necklace. Like, and let me show you the second one. It is like the diamond one and I liked it so much. Actually, I was editing my video right now and the second necklace set just did not get recorded, so I'm recording it again. This is the second one. It is like the diamond one. Let me show you one. And it has very minimal and elegant look and also very small earrings. So this is the diamond set, you all. Like this. Oh, अभी तक मैं उल्टा दिखा रही थी. Anyways, this is the diamond set. And let me show you all the earrings. These are the minimal pretty earrings. So this was the second set and we also have a third set actually, which I brought for no absolute reason, which is this one. Like I don't even have a matching fit to wear with this, but I just liked it, so I just brought it. It is like multicolored, you can say. Like I liked it so much that I had to buy it. I don't know, I don't even have a fit to wear with it, but it is like so pretty. Like just look at it. So yeah, I brought it for no absolute reason and इसीलिए मेरे घर वाले मुझे शॉपिंग नहीं ले जाते because I buy everything because I like everything. I don't actually like everything, and I'm most probably wearing this one for the wedding, I guess. I don't know, I might wear that one as well, but yeah, most probably I'm wearing this one. And I just brought very pretty earrings. Like मैं जब घर पे आ रही थी I really love them so much. And now let me show you another beautiful pendant I have brought. We are gonna try this on because I haven't tried it yet. So this is like a floral pendant. Which flower does it resonates the most? I guess lily, right? No, tulip. Tulip or lily. Like I guess tulip, right? And even if it does not resonate a tulip, I'm gonna name it a tulip because it belongs to me now, so I can do anything with it, right? I'm gonna name it tulip. Let us try this on. There's nothing I cannot do, right? I can do everything on my own. Strong, independent woman. And we did it. Wait a minute. ये भी मैंने उल्टा पहना है. The universe does not want us to record the video today because पहले तो मेरे से ज्वेलरी बॉक्स गिर गया and then मेरे माइक की चार्जिंग ख़त्म होगी और अब मेरे फ़ोन की भी चार्जिंग ख़त्म होने वाली है. We don't have a lot of time because we are not letting the universe win and we are gonna record this whole video. So this is the pretty pendant. And another thing I brought is this star chain. If you can see, like it is very easy. Like you guys can send me anything which has stars in it or is like of pink color or like yellow. Like yeah, you guys can send me anything that has these properties in it. And another thing I have brought is this like casual bracelet. So yeah, this is the bracelet. I picked it up very randomly. And another thing we brought is like a spoon. Actually I did not buy a spoon. My mother brought spoon set, जिसमें से एक मैंने ले लिया because it had a crack in it. If you guys can see, it's cracked. We will make something out of it, right? And then I brought this like bangles. And पहले तो मेरे साइज के बैंगल्स मिल नहीं रहे थे. We searched in like 2 shops and उसके बाद they suggested us another one which was like a bit far away. It was very frustrating and I brought 2 sets of Kashmiri bangles, golden one and silver one, and yeah, that's all. Bye guys.